In the riverine lands of Satara, life is a constant struggle. With no roads and surrounded by water, daily existence here is paralyzed without a boat. For these people, the lack of a vessel means living in deep uncertainty. In the village of Chakbara, Gbari in Shiamagar, a large family of 6 was living in extreme hardship. In their darkest moment, Mr. Syed Abdul Naim emerged as a beacon of hope. Through the Sadaqa Sisters, he arranged a sturdy boat for this helpless family. The smiles on their faces today tell a story of relief. This boat is now their new lifeline for survival.
জীবিকা নির্বাহ করি কারণ এটা পাই আমার এত উপকৃত হয়েছে তাতে আল্লাহর রহমতে আমার মনে হয় আমি এতে জীবিকা নির্বাহ করি আমার ফ্যামিলি চালানো খুব কষ্ট হবে না, আমার কষ্ট কম হবে। এর জন্য আপনাদের কাছে আমি খুব কৃতজ্ঞ।
Similarly, responding to the call of humanity, his wife, Mrs. Zahida Sied, stepped forward. In the Kulpatoua Gabura village, she stood by a vulnerable family of 3 with deep compassion. Under the supervision of the Sadaqa Sisters, she gifted them a new boat. This small family has now found the courage to live with dignity and self-reliance. What a beautiful sight! One couple, 2 different villages, but one shared purpose. Both husband and wife, seeking the pleasure of Allah, individually took the responsibility of 2 families, and the Sadaqa Sisters faithfully delivered this sacred trust, this amana, to the very people who needed it the most. We pray to Allah to grant Mr. Syed Abdul Naim and Mrs. Zahida Sied the best rewards in this life and the hereafter. Seeing a husband and wife competing in good deeds is truly an inspiration for us all. This is the vision of the Sadaqa Sisters, to deliver your love and trust with complete transparency to change lives. Come, let us extend our hands to humanity just like this couple. Even your smallest contribution can make a world of difference. Contact us today to join this noble journey.